only went this video, Metoma can share button sharing this video. Achon Kanjo, can you feel the crime of Onye Eze, Jesus and Eke hit? What is their crime? In when kisi can you feel patale zugo jajwa. Fe patale njiwena jajwa ona. Akwa Okuko and Eke hit and Onye Eze, Jesus was arrested almost the same time for the same offense. Now, since you were arrested her, all I've been hearing on Facebook, are people forgetting that now Onye Eze, Jesus and they hit on a detention. I joined me far before. Our people worship money. Perhaps the only crime Eke hit now Onye Eze, Jesus committed not having much money like Akwa to put up the kind of show and magic Akwa Neme before arrest. They don't have G-Wagon, they don't have Mercedes they have a convertible, they don't have much money to buy as much cars as Akwa, build hotels, build mansions, and the rest of history. Why are people this cruel? Like, if you think that what the arrest of Akwa Okuko is an injustice, that now Soludo supposed to arrest Akwa Okuko, can you justify the reason that Oji supposed to arrest the Eke hit and Onye Eze, Jesus? These people, it will be the right thing if you are making a video about the release of these people, then you remember Eke hit, you remember Onye Eze, Jesus. Onya can do na Facebook and this selective judgment, selective justice. Because now most of these things are eye service. A lot of people name if they are skimming their way through the heart of Akwa, because now he will go around and check around and know the people. So obviously you will see him giving people car gift, gifting people bikes and money in appreciation for what they did. So they are going to where their effort will be rewarded, and not that they are fighting injustice per se. If you think that now Soludo arrest of Ndonwadibia, or that he has not shown any evidence Ojuwe arrested her, or that no they go her longer than we're not supposed to reach her, I think that justice fight should be extended to Onye Eze and Eke hit. People talking about Akwa as if those other two people exist does not make sense. Because injustice anywhere is injustice everywhere. So if you continue to talk about the release of Akwa, then I will now come to a proper conclusion that it is just personal interest that all these people if any I rarely see people put the picture of Onye Eze and Eke hit as if these people na they exist or what. Unu na-eje ebe nnukwu egodo, unu na-eje ebe nnukwu ibobodo. Ọ bụrụ nya onya akwa sọsọ akwa wonya arrest. Go onya can just in this life, I think it's very important to really have money. Because if you go n'inwe ego, inwe nwanne, mana onye nwere ego ahịnwuche. According to the people say penti, arrested for the same crime, detained by the same person, the same court, yet people keep shouting up and down for the same person, and two other people on the same detention facility, and you think it is justice. For me, I don't see it as justice. I see it as people skimming their way through to the reward system. Into Akwa si reward and they made ife, and you will see it when Akwa finally comes out. In your fight for the justice, the way you people put it, I want you to include two other people arrested. You people should stop being this partial. Stop being this selective. Justice is not selective. When you talk about justice, you are talking about equity and fairness. What is due to Mr. A is due to Mr. B. So stop making Onye Eze, Jesus and Eke hit as if they don't exist. You can barely hear their names from one of them. Only on an about celebrity native doctor. Go G-Guard. Also G-Guard when them mad. This is all I hear. This is all I hear. As if now Onye Eze, Jesus and moto and Eke hit moto. You see, people keep talking about the bishop happened Majiri Ejinyane. na-ekwu maka onye nwe m hapụ maka ụmụazụ ya ọdụmma. Sometimes people should really understand what this justice is all about. I'm believing that a lot of people on Facebook are, because they are either selective, they are either partial, or another thing, and yet they all, it's either you are talking down on this one while you are defending this one, but they are doing the same thing. You are shielding this one, but you are talking down on the other one, but they are doing the same thing. So at the end of the day, all I see is just clash of interest. Clash of interest. If you are fighting for the release of Akwa on Facebook and you are not talking about Onye Eze Jesus and Eke hit, one day you are on a personal lane. If you think that what Soludo has done to Akwa is not right, and you are not extending the same thing to Eke hit and Onye Eze Jesus, one day you are on your personal lane. So some go people don't know. For you cannot talk about one without including the others. Onya offense can go on. Because half gum onye nu onye anakwa onye ona chọrọ ka onweta attention akwa onye ona chọrọ ka onweta favor n'aka akwa na so we go dey so Soludo ha chule chine kita rizi akwa, so case closed. Soludo ha chule chine potakita say akwa go Onye Eze Jesus and Eke hit tomorrow. So you will be happy that they want to go to justice in Asho. You will be happy now na Soludo have because in the native doctors. You will be happy now. No Onye Eze Jesus na Eke hit they go say evidence according to some people say no more evidence say go say. So include two of them. There are three people. Include two of them. That is the same way I don't understand. You know, each time we talk about release Mazen Nandekano, you also forget that Nengolu, hundreds and thousands of Biafran agitators, loyalists to Mazen Nandekano, who are languishing in different prisons, scattered in Oka and the many states in the southeast, including Abuja. So, Anna, we easy sepola for no note. Erotago, Apiarawo, Sepiarambala. For injustice anywhere, if it is injustice to you, it's justice, it's injustice. If injustice anywhere, if that is what it is to you, it's injustice anywhere, everywhere. And justice anywhere is justice everywhere. If you see what Soludo has done as an injustice, then it is an injustice to all and not just to one person. Unefezile ego. Unefezile ego. Unefezile ego. Unefezile ego. Onye Eze Jesus no kono there. And Eke hit no kono there. Obolos akwa no there. Amadu n'ife. Una akpọ enough. Bokwa ndị ọzọ nwere ike ọwụrụ n'ụkpọba ndị ọzọ help abịa. Jesus akwa, free akwa, free akwa, free akwa, free akwa.